Welcome back to the Reading Corner with Mrs. G. For more great stories and poems, subscribe here. We have another very short poem by Shel Silverstein from the book Where the Sidewalk Ends. This one is called No Difference. No difference. Small as a peanut, big as a giant, we're all the same size when we turn off the light. Rich as a sultan, poor as a mite, we're all worth the same when we turn off the light. Red, black, or orange, yellow or white, we all look the same when we turn off the light. So maybe the way to make everything right is for God to just reach out and turn off the light. Wow. All right. See you next time.